Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basis. And today's video is all about how to recover your Clash of Clans account if you ever lost it. Now without further ado, let's dive right into it. On your game, go to its settings and tap on Help and Support. The Clash of Clans support page should load up. From here, just tap on the blue chat box at the top right corner of your screen. You can see a Leave a Message button below Contact Us. Just tap on it. You will be redirected to Supercell support bot. Now just tap on New Conversation. Since our problem is related to login and ID, I'm gonna tap on Login and Supercell ID issues. Just go ahead and tap on Recover my account. Now tap on Continue, and Supercell is gonna ask for your player tag. Now if you don't know your player tag, head over to Google and search Clash of Stats. Go to the first link that pops up. Here you can search for your Clash of Clans account. Now I remember my name was Lord21, so I'm gonna type in Lord21 and search. You can even add your Town Hall level so you can narrow down your search. For example, I was Town Hall 2 and just tap on Close. As you can see, my account has been found, so I'm just gonna tap on it. And here you can see all the details about my account. You can see your player tag here. Just tap on it to copy it to clipboard. Now go back to your Clash of Clans. Now just paste the player tag in the conversation. Now you can start chatting with Supercell support bot to recover your account. And that's it for today's video. If you have any question or run into any trouble, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.